Hello, Mrs. Porter here. We're just about to write using cursive writing. But before we start that, we're just going to look at our letters. Now, you know in phonics we use the letter sounds. But when we're doing the alphabet, when it's set out like this, we're going to learn the letters of the alphabet, which are the letter names, not the phonemes. So as I point to the letter, I want you to say the letter name. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Fantastic. When you sing it, sometimes you get jumbled up in the middle. So it's best to make sure that you know them by doing them slowly first. So today we're going to write using our cursive writing. Can you remember some of the letters that we've practiced before? Yeah, we've done the C, the D, the T, the L. We've done so many of the letters now. You've been working very hard. Have you been practicing them? It's important with handwriting to keep practicing. And then they get easier and easier. So the letters we're going to do today are N, N. I can see I haven't quite formed that because when I look here, it's not quite right. So I'm going to start again with that one. So I'm going to go up, down, up, and I'm not going to go right to the top. I'm going to go down and over. There's my N. So I'm going to practice starting at the bottom as we normally do, down, over the heel, down and flick, ready for the next letter to join it. And again. We're going to do this 5 times. Slowly. Remember, it's important to work slowly. If you rush it, they don't always look your best. If there's one that you're not happy with, I'm not quite happy with that one because that's a bit too skinny. So I'm just going to go over again to make sure that practicing is the best thing. Well done. Now the next one starts off very similar to that one. It's an M. So start at the bottom again, up, down, over the heel, and that would be where we finished with an N, but we're going to go back up the same line and then flick. So it's like 2 heels. We're going to go up to the top, down, just like we did with the N. Instead of flicking, we're going to go back up the same line, down, flick, and again. Remember how many times we're going to do this? 5 times. Nice and slowly. Brilliant. Fantastic. Always practice your handwriting. It's taken a long time for me to be able to do it so quickly. And even I get some wrong. The next one is the H. Now, we're going to start at the bottom again. We're going to go tall, tall. This is a tall letter. Down and over. Okay, up. Oh, no, that's not right. Tall. Brilliant. Go slowly. Oh, and you can see I've got a gap, so I'm just going to do it again. Don't always need to rub it out. Because if I was writing a word and I did one of the letters wrong, it would be a little bit more tricky, but I'm just practicing the letters. So I've done the letter N, M and H. So fantastic, everybody. Can't wait to see you next time. Keep practicing.